Want to know how to fix lags or performance issues in Paladins? So in this video, I'm going to show you if you have lags in Paladins, how you can easily fix it just through in-game settings. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to make sure that you play a light, heavy or lightweight game modes. So there are heavyweight game modes or longer game modes that you can play as well. So if your device is really lag and if you want to really avoid it, you can just simply disable or play any other methods or any other modes instead of that. So once that is done, on the top right side, it should be saying settings right here. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected settings here, it should be saying increasing. So just simply disable it, turn off anti-aliasing, and make sure all of these are in low, just like this right here. Now you can just simply select apply once you're done, and it's good to go. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day. See you in the next one.